Here's how to get started creating a safer place with ProwlerProof. Visit ProwlerProof.com.au. Here you can compare products, look at test reports, find your local ProwlerProof certified dealer, and much more. To find a dealer, navigate to our quote page. Enter your postcode in the field provided, choose your suburb from the drop-down list, and search. You will then be shown two options of the dealers that are closest to you. To view further information about their companies, click the Learn More button. To email the dealer you want to contact, you will need to fill out the online form and your details are passed directly onto the dealer. They will be in contact within 24 to 48 hours. Each job is unique. The dealer will visit your home to measure up and see if there are any specific requirements. They will then supply you with an obligation-free quote. If you are happy with the quote provided, you will pay a deposit to the dealer and they will order the products through ProwlerProof's ordering system. Your products are then custom made to your exact specifications in our world-class manufacturing facility, located in Queensland. Once completed, the product will be delivered to the dealer. They will be in contact to arrange a date and time for installation. The dealer will return to install your product to the Australian standards for the installation of security screen doors, AS 5040-2003, and hand over the keys to your brand new security screens. Visit ProwlerProof.com.au to get started.